Welcome back from my YouTube channel. This is episode 2 video of AutoCAD Common 22 commands. Number 6, Circle Command. Shortcut is C. This command is used to draw a circle. Number 7, Copy Command. Shortcut is C, and this command is used to copy the objects here and there. Number 8, Chamfer Command. Shortcut is CHA. This command is used to chamfer between two non-parallel lines. You can set the distance to do chamfer. You can check the measurement whether your input is correct or not. Number 9, Color Command. Shortcut is COL. This command is to open the Select Color dialog box. Number 10, Dim Style Command. Shortcut is D. TH's command is to open the Dim Style Manager and to edit and set up the measurement styles. I will show the rest of the commands in next episodes. Please like and subscribe my channel for more practical videos. Thanks.